My name is Wodomak and I am a content creator. My YouTube journey has been an interesting one, filled with lots of experiences in these past few months since I started out. Trying to do better and trying to evolve in content creation naturally is something every content creator imagines and have sleepless nights about. But today I'll be talking about my experiences as a new content creator and hoping that people like me out there who are struggling or those thinking of starting this journey would find this video helpful and educative enough to learn and implement in their own creative styles.
Starting out, I started my YouTube January 2020 and I have been uploading videos ever since then. It has not been an easy one, I must say. I've tried my best to keep up with consistency. I made sure I posted my first video on that same day that I created it, which was the paper video that you can see right here. And this video has gotten about 600, getting close to 700 views. And it is an interesting one, though the quality is bad, the visual quality is very, very poor, but the content of the video is very, very rich, guys. That's why so many people have commented about it. So many people are saying it has helped them create their PayPal account very functional, and I'm getting more subscribers because of this particular video. This is my best video yet on my YouTube channel. So guys, it is something like a motivation, because it's right now it's ranking number 2 when you search for the keyword Lesotho PayPal on YouTube. So it was like a motivation for me to keep grinding, to keep going and keep putting more videos out there. That was how I started out YouTube. So guys, consistency is key, and make sure you hit procrastination, boost that first video. The next one is how it has been. It has been well, I must say. It has been an interesting journey so far, and I have been posting videos. I make videos, the time to make videos. As a student, I have projects at hand, I have some other things that I'm into also, and trying to scrap out time to make videos and post here for you guys. It has been an interesting one. I've learned some things that I know that I have not seen myself doing, that I don't think I'll even see myself doing: filmmaking, editing, learning about camera angles, learning about how to shoot film, how lighting and everything. So guys, it is an interesting journey that you should embark on if actually that's what you want to do. I started posting shorts recently on my YouTube, and that was because I started making some research on how to grow more subscribers. They say you should post shorts, it's going to help you get more audience out there, because short is something that they're just going to put on the feed if you try. And in no time, if you continue putting at least post about 10 videos for 3 weeks straight, keep posting for 3 weeks, and you're going to see yourself blown out there, because one video surely is going to go viral. So that's just what I've been doing, and I will continue doing it. So I just took out time to get myself to learn more about filmmaking, to learn more about editing. So that's just how it has been. So the next one is my vision and goals. Alright, my vision for my YouTube channel is to get as much subscribers as I can, to get as much watch time as I can. My YouTube is not yet monetized, and I'm looking forward to that, creating videos, scrapping out time to create videos, to promote my videos, to get more views, to get more subscribers, because the monetization mark is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and that is not an easy feat to achieve, guys. So I'm trying my best to make sure that I achieve this thing by posting more videos, dropping more good content that will warrant you guys to subscribe and keep watching to the end. Alright, so that's just my YouTube journey. It was not as expected, so people think it's going to be easy. It's never going to be easy. YouTube is not easy at first. Starting YouTube is never going to be easy. You must take out time, you must grind, you must put in effort, you must be passionate about it, and you must be committed about it. So guys, that's just one thing about YouTube for you guys that are just starting. So I said something that I was going to talk about, how to help young YouTubers that are just coming up. Yes, I know myself, I'm still a young YouTuber, but there's something that I've learned and something that I'm implementing that is helping me to grow. I would like to share with you guys, because this knowledge is not everybody that have the access to it. So I'm just going to share some things that I know, something that I implement right here on my channel to you guys, so that you can implement it on your channel and you can see if it will actually add more growth to your YouTube channel. So the first thing when it comes to YouTube video creation is shooting. So shooting is the main thing when it comes to YouTube, because if you have your content in your head, you can't post it on YouTube without shooting. You must make sure you shoot your video, and I shoot with my phone, I edit with my phone, I do everything literally with my phone, guys. You should get the best angle, the best lighting, where there are natural light. As you can see, there is natural light here now. There's natural light here. The light is coming from here, coming from this angle, coming from this angle. I think I have the side light here, which is the blue one, which is reflecting here. So guys, shooting and lighting are important. You have to shoot where there's light. You can't shoot in a dark place and expect people to watch your video. What are they watching? It's not a music video. So guys, get your phone and start shooting. That's one thing you should know. Set it at the maximum quality and shoot. I purchased a ring light. We did a junior tech week, and I purchased a ring light for about 11,000 naira. And this is the ring light, but it was discounted because I had a 5,000 voucher for a game which we played, the junior voucher game, and I got the 5,000 naira voucher. So what I just paid was about 5,000 or so, and I got this ring light here. As you can see, this is what is making this video look so sweet like this. So the first video that I did was very poor. As you can see, the video was very poor, but I just had to do it just to kill procrastination and to at least achieve that journey that yes, my YouTube is up. So I have to, there is no going back now. I just have to continue with this thing that I've started. So guys, if you want to start your YouTube, just make sure you post your first video here. Forget about quality. Post the first video and you are going to keep procrastination, and from there you can start growing. Alright, so when it comes to shooting and editing, I use CapCut to edit. My videos. I cut the unnecessary parts. They call it voids. Those are voids, like those parts where you don't see anything in a video, you just keep mute, and maybe you're thinking of something to add to your content, and then you just keep mute. The camera is still running, like this is for instance now. How was that? It is boring, guys. Like, it is actually boring. You don't need this in your video. You have to cut it out. Like, you have to take it out and cut it out with CapCut. There's a split button there that you use to split out this thing, and when you place it at this end and this end, you delete it out. You just have to post the main content of your videos, guys. It is actually boring. You don't just keep people looking at you. You're not saying anything. You are thinking. Why? Learn how to edit video. Don't just record and post. So that's just it for editing, guys. On a later day, I'm going to make a video about how to edit with CapCut and how to color grade and all. I'm going to make that video separately for you guys, right? So the next thing is getting your metadata right. Now, what I mean by metadata is your title, your description, your thumbnail, your keywords. These 4 things are your metadata. They are very, very important, guys. Your title must be having keywords of what you are creating. Whatever you are creating, your title must have the keyword. It should not be too long, it should not be too short, it should just go straight to the point. Thumbnail. Your thumbnail is very, very important, guys. Your thumbnail is important because the first thing that people look when they go into YouTube are thumbnails. Depends on the thumbnail that you see is what you are going to click on. Maybe you are not going there to have fun. And the first thing, what can catch your attention is thumbnail. Then after thumbnail, when you see the thumbnail, then you look at title to find out what this video is about. So thumbnail is very, very important, guys. Learn how to edit your thumbnail with Photoshop. You can use Photopea. I edit everything I do with my phone, and I use Photopea. That is the version of Photoshop for phone. So guys, you should know how to edit. Learn how to be good with your edit. As you can see, these are my edits that I have edited with Photopea, and these thumbnails are very eye-catchy, right? They are very eye-catchy. Whenever you see them, you just click on them because you want to find out what Maxi has just dropped. So that's just it about thumbnail. I'm going to make another video on thumbnail editing, and I'm going to show you how to use Photopea, alright? So you can start making your research until then and learn how to do this. So the next thing that you should know is your description. In your description, there are 5,000 letters you can put in your description. So make sure to optimize it, at least get to 3,000 or 4,000, guys. So don't just go and put something just small in your description. Work with VIQ. Get your account registered, link your account. If you're using a laptop, it's going to be very, very easy, guys. It's going to help you very well with your YouTube journey because they're going to tell you something that you can optimize to get to rank your videos, which is SEO, to rank your videos on YouTube. So guys, that's just it about description. Put some things there, put your social media handles, talk about it, put some disclaimers, put the title, make use of keywords there. And the number 4 thing that you need to know is your keywords. Get your keywords right. Go and learn how to search for keywords. Keywords are when people type things on the YouTube, how to do this, they are going to see your videos ranking there because those are the keywords that people are searching. So the way to get keywords, go on Google Keyword Planner and research on keywords there and put in the right keywords for your YouTube. if it's about how to bake cakes, right? How to bake it, and you're going to see keywords there. So go and put them in the tags, in the tag section of your video when you're editing before you upload, so that when people search, they can find your videos. Alright, so that's how to get your metadata right. So the third thing for young YouTube creators out there is promoting. You should learn how to promote your videos. The first 24 hours is very, very important in YouTube. You must make sure you optimize the first 24 hours. The rank that you see there when you start something on YouTube, it don't just come out like that, guys. That's how YouTube algorithm works. So make sure your first 24 hours you optimize it to get enough views, get enough comments, get enough likes. Promote on social media platforms like WhatsApp. Sensitize your audience, tell them about your videos. You can put in on broadcast, tell them that they should watch your video. Please go and distribute on Facebook, Instagram. Make use of your social media handles, because that's where you can get outside visitors and they can become your own audience, because when they see this and they like it, they are going to come back for more. So the next one is monetization, guys. Monetization is very, very important. The threshold for monetization is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, guys. It is not easy. Try to post longer videos, get more active subscribers, not dead subscribers. Don't beg people to subscribe to your channel, guys. Because if you beg people to subscribe to your channel, they are not going to watch your video later on. Maybe they may just watch the first or second video, but consecutively they are not going to watch it. And we are looking for a long-term something. People are going to fall in love with your content and come back for more and watch this content, guys. So that's just one thing about monetization. Try to make your goal be monetization. Get your channel to be monetized. 4,000 watch hours, 1K sub. So that's just it, guys. That's the information I have for young creators out there. So if you find it interesting, just subscribe to this channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, smash that like button, drop comments if you find this video interesting. And please, guys, consistency is key. Try to post videos weekly. Don't go a week without posting one video, guys. It is very, very bad. For now, as you're starting, focus on quantity, not quality. Post those videos, man. Just post those videos, but make sure at least there's a touch of quality there that is going to make these people come back for more when they find it interesting. So that's just how my YouTube journey has been, and this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Alright, if you find this video interesting, you can share it with your friends, share it with your families, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Turn on notifications so that whenever I post videos, YouTube is going to notify you that Maxi just posted something, and you're going to be the first to watch and learn. So that's just it, guys, and I am going to end this video right now.